Hello and welcome to this NFP live with me, I'm Midal, and you, the world's best forex trader. Boom! Welcome. Today we're going to cover the NFP 7th of May 2021. Welcome very much. We have a lot in store for you. We have fundamental analysis, we have technical analysis, and we have the event itself. So we have probably 33 minutes left until the actual happening. So let's go. Let's see if I can put you there. There you are. There we go. A bit of technical changes, but okay, cool. Nothing more than that. Then I think I have posted it somewhere. I want everything to happen. So if you are here today, I hope you can hear me. I haven't checked that out. That would be great. You can hear me. Well, great. So where are we then? There we are. And then if you want 20% off, 20% off mentorship. There's your link. And then I was not supposed to do that. Okay, so do it again. Can you? No, you cannot do that. Okay, cool. Whatever. Now I have to delete that one. Delete. Okay, we do it again. And then Telegram. What's my Telegram? Maybe you want my Telegram, or maybe you want my Discord channel? Should we do Discord channel instead, maybe? Why is this start so lame today? I'm sorry, the start is lame today, but it is what it is. Discord. So I'm pretty stressed out today. I'm sorry, but here you are. Now you can get the links I wanted. Put it up there. Good. Then we can put some music on. We're all good. We're all happy. Hello, Justin. Very much welcome to you too. I hope that you are happy today. I hope you do well. I hope that you, as well as everyone else. Good looking, mate. Thank you. I put on my shorts for you guys today. I hope you guys are, in the mood. Let me just click down the sound. And then we're going. So, cable. Thank you. Don't be an idiot. We have NFP. What in the world is that really? NFP is the release of the job report every month in the United States of America. Non-farm payroll means that it's a payroll for everyone else except those seasonal workers that is creating too much volatility in the market. It's a key number. It's a key event. It can also create a lot of volatility, both good, both bad volatility. So I hope you also know that you are able to lose money in this kind of market condition. So please, trading forex is risky and appropriate for everyone. Past performance is on the ticket of future results. Whatever happens today. Whatever happens in the past doesn't need to happen in the future. Whatever money you have invested today can be lost tomorrow. So I just want to say that. We got 400 pips on the euro last month. Yeah, pretty good. Boom. Other than that, great. So we have Harold coming in today. We have Andrea coming in today. We have Sanjay. Very much welcome, every single one of you. So it represents the number of jobs added, excluding the farm employees, government employees, private households employees, and employees in non-profit organizations. How does it affect market? Well, volatility. It moves the market fast, quick, and amazingly. Which currency I'm most affected? That's dollar. Then we can go into how is it really calculated? This is calculated by, or the NFP is a survey that's asking corporations about their employment practices during the prior month. So we will then need how many jobs are added. And why is this important right now? Well, we have come into a full. We lost 20 million jobs last year. So very, very hello, Mark. Hello, Mark. Joel, maybe, sorry. I would just go to Joel and then Udeke. Udeke. I can't even type today. Okay, sorry. I can't even type your name right, sorry. We just lost 20 million jobs. We are on the path to come back. But are we really come back? I don't know. We shall see. But we're expecting the highest NFP number since September 2020. Are we getting there? Are we not getting there? I don't know. So there was a small dip in the December NFP meeting. There was also not great back in, was it February or March? Can't remember. It was, yeah, I think it was February. Coming out in March. Wasn't that great. It was less than expected. So now we are expecting a much higher number. I think we're expecting a range between 800,000 new jobs and 900,000 new jobs. If we then go into FX Street, not at all, what do you call it? Not at all affiliated with these people. I just use it because it's convenient, all those things, right? Chief! Can you show us the reactions on prior NFP? Yeah, I can actually do that. I actually have that in my brain somewhere between the actual NFP happens, okay? Babu is here. Mashi is here. All the good guys. Wow, family is showing up to the party today. What am I supposed to do here? Expectations. 9,000, according to whatever FX Street has been asking, banks of what they expect, 978. Remember last time we came in hot. We came in hotter than we expected. So prior there was 600,000 expected and 900,000 came in. So 647 and 916 came in. So that was like boom, boom. Actually, to be honest. So other than that, all those nonsense, we're expecting this one. The total non-farm to raise once again. Is this going to increase the tension of tapering in the Fed? Probably not yet, because they are right now closing their eyes and saying, nope, not today, not today. And they were very firm in their last Federal Reserve meeting where they were like, nope, we will have to see data first, we have to see data first, and whatever those journalists asked them, they have to see data first. So we will see data first then. Can we watch it live? Of course we're going to watch it live. Where can we watch it live? This is where you're going to watch it live, Jasmine. Here. Hello, all 34 people right now. Hello. How are you? Hope it will rain profits. We're going to talk about profits anytime soon. So, 1st of May, the weekly jobless claim was 489,000, a decrease of 92,000. Fair enough, from the previous week's level. But the average, where are we going? Where is the trend going? We are falling, okay? We are falling. That is what you kind of want to see anyways. So, the advanced seasonality adjusted insured unemployment rate was 2.6 for the week ending 24th of April and changed from the prior week. Pretty cool. The other thing is, I wanted to mention that this is the lowest level of initial claims since March 14, 2020. The lowest level of claims. What is jobless claims? Jobless claim is those who have been not sacked, because then you won't get it. For those who have been let off by jobs, by corporations, and then are entitled to have benefit from the government. Okay, that is now lower than March 2020. So we're getting there. We're getting there. We're getting there. That's what we want. That is our, because all this fits into our bias of a weaker dollar eventually. Even though we have a dollar bull month now, I expect it to be, but you know, it doesn't work out so far. But anyways, so let's go into this one. We have non-farm today. We have average hourly earnings. We have to actually watch that one. and we have the unemployment rate. All those three, non-farm is the biggest one that we all have to watch. So where were we now? You're long gold currently. Great. Family members are excited. I'm also excited. And as you can see, I'm talking as fast as I can. All right. So what did I mention? So I want you to mention that Discord needs to go somewhere else right now. I can't have time for Discord. No, for Telegram right now. So if you guys are talking to me right now in Telegram, no, I don't have time. Sorry. We are live. So we are expecting 900,000, give or take 970,000. Okay, so what does that tell you about the economy? Okay, what does that tell you? How can we put it into some kind of perspective? Okay, let's go into the data. For 900,000 to be expecting, we are then going to expect a higher, like, for this one to turn higher again. The other thing we also need to notice that last week there was a pretty large deviation, but also we can't really talk about deviation from the number when we're talking 2020, which just crashed the graph basically. Okay, so what did I say? This is an upward trend. We're expecting increase in the non-farm payrolls. I then mentioned what it is. I then mentioned that the jobless claims is lowest as March 2020. Great. We're not back in those numbers, but we are getting there. Okay, we're getting there. Hello, Moses. To the moon. Blows. Please look at Euro USD and USD flying right now. Okay. So generally speaking, I want to mention something for you. Here we started to sell. Here we started to sell. And here we got stopped out. Okay. Well, do you think this is going to fall? Do you think this is going to rise? Well, we don't know. But let's make some trade plans. Putting down the music a bit, at least in my ears, so we all can hear what is going to go on. So, yeah, okay. We want this to go higher. Then we want to go and look at the dollar index by itself. Okay. How does this look like for you guys? Let me find something for you. How does it look? How does this look like for you right now? Is this, whoops, did I see that was terrible? People, can somebody just give me something else than a drawing tool to do? I can do lines, okay? I can do lines. Does this look bullish or bearish or range bound to you? That all depends on your eyes. I'm not going to give out what I want to say first, but yeah, have that in mind. Chief, are market pricing in USD yen to go higher as the data will come high? Well, we shall see. We shall see. So we have a request from Mr. Hardik. Hardik asks, can we look at previous NFP numbers? Previous NFP here. That is the last month NFP reaction. What happened here, ladies and gentlemen? Here is where it happened. So what is this? What is this? Was ist das? It is double top, lower low, lower high, sell, sell, sell. Okay. So NFP was used for what? To set up a bearish momentum, to change the momentum. It was the plan. Okay. If you go back down to, go take March. When was March? March was 5th of March. 5th of March, 5th of March, 5th of March. Let's make it a line. Probably around here. Okay, so here we have NFP in March. And that kind of stopped it everything. Like it. Okay. So in April, it went higher. In March, it kind of went sideways. And then just continued the trend. So can we say that NFP changes the trend? while it later on trended downwards again. But we have to look into that. Welcome, Harold, into the E-team. Fantastic. We have a brand new member. Well, another member. You're already there, I guess. But yeah, thank you. Thank you very much for coming into the E-team. The team where I give you fundamental analysis every Sunday. As a live every Sunday at 5 p.m. And you get some... You're supposed to get some discounts. I'm supposed to haven't given to you that right now, but I should do that today. So just knock on my door and I will give it to ya. All right. Since you are in the E-winner team, we always love you. So I think it's 8th was the last one. I think it was the first. And then in 8th, I think it was 8th. So around here we have NFP. So NFP goes higher for that is higher. In March it goes higher. In February, it is Friday 5th. 5th. Is this 5th? 5th of February 2021, give or take. Yeah. So here. This is, oops, this is them. So currently we have up, we have down, and how many pips? Well, I can't control right now. Going up and then going down. So we have 2 up, 2 down. So generally speaking, it all depends. What is the master plan, the Volvo team? I know, I saw that. You expect a good NFP and jobless claims to be great. Yeah, that's all good to have expectations. I think it's better to have expectations than have nothing else. So where can we then go into? Where's this one going now this time around? Could we be heading higher? Could we be heading lower? Remember, 75% of May, dollar goes higher. Okay? 75% of May, dollar goes higher. Can we then expect this one to kick off May in the direction it is supposed to go into? Because NFP kicked that one in the right direction last month. NFP kicked March into the right direction that year. And NFP kicked February into the right direction. And NFP in January didn't kick it in the right direction in March. Well, yeah, it did. Kicked in the right direction. Did not kick in the right direction. So that's 1-1 and 2-1. And this one is supposed to rise. Okay, not so much. It was struggling. And in the end, yes. So I would say, give or take, 3 out of 4 times NFP has kicked the trend in the right direction for the month. So if that is true, if my general belief for May is higher, then I then believe this is the bottom. I will check, Jasmine. Do not worry. I do read the chat, and you guys need patience. I'm here to tell you at least what I believe is going to happen, to prepare you for what is about to happen, so that we then can look at gold, so that we then can look at euro at the best possible mental frame, because it all comes down to where we're going to go. Because if we then fall, oops, that wasn't supposed to happen. If you're falling, is that a buy or is that a sell? That comes down to what is your bias, your direction already. So I have already set the stage for direction of dollar bullishness. Okay, is that going to happen in the NFP? Well, we shall see. But they're already starting to pick up some steam for the continuation higher. Okay, and I don't know why I'm sending in 70-20 today. I do apologize for that. But apparently there's no, it's not HD today. So me and Hardik had a conversation about that earlier today, and I checked it, but apparently I'm only saying the 7020. I'm sorry for the low quality, but good. Boom. We have 14 minutes left. So now we're going into technical analysis. I just need to drink something because, you know, it is what it is. So I'll just give you some music for some minutes, and I will drink something, and it won't be awkward. All right, Captain. The question then becomes today. Yeah, smash the like button. I can hear that. Smash the like button. Fantastic people, fantastic, Jayla. Let me say something else then. I want to say something else. So, I have been working in the background. So does anyone know, do you know about Trader Nick on YouTube? Do you know about Trader Nick on YouTube? Say yes or no. Have you ever heard about that guy? He probably has 216,000 subscribers. Okay? So I'm going to ask you that question while I do some lines, and we can all come together and have fun. Is the water cold? I'm fasting and it made me so... Well, the water is how it's supposed to be. Just me know him, Harold knows about it, Moses knows about it. Should I? What do you call it? Should I try to get an invite? To be on his live session? Should I try to get an invite to be on his live session? Would that be cool? Is that something that you would appreciate? Your guru meeting the other guru that is out there. Is that something cool? He do tech analysis, not fundamental analysis whatsoever. I can agree to that. Chief, you can't drink. Chief, you can't drink water. The Royal Omani police will arrest you. Okay. All right. So I do have an appointment with Trader Nick in 40 minutes. I have an appointment with him in 40 minutes. So should we all go over there at 3 p.m.? No, wait, like 40 minutes when this NFP live is done. Should we go over there? And yeah. Okay, cool. I will start planning out. Sorry, that was a sidekick here, but okay, cool. So, first of all, that's the sell to do. And actually got kicked out of my sell because of my stop losses. This is the place to buy, this is the place to sell. Okay? Then you have the levels of 21 and 20. Anything in between here is difficult trading. Now it comes down to where's your buy zones. I will find the buy zones for the week to see where we are then. We are here. Oops. We are then here, and then we are here. I would not call that great sell zones. I would call that a contraction, and I will call that the market is not trending. So when we have a central pivot that's a bit lower than the previous one, sell price is lower, buy price is higher, we are now coming into a more like a narrow range because of this week. Because we have gone from here to here. This is what we have done this week so far. It's not like it's great. So I would just then say, technically speaking, if price comes to 2024, I would probably look to sell it. And if price comes to 2004, give or take 21 something, I would look to sell. So I would put up the notice here, this price and this price, and I will do that and then that, and then I will, that was wrong way, and then the other one is that way. Cool. Forex not moved just by lines and fundamentals text up. Yeah, great. Let's go. Yeah, we want to see some action. That should be fun to watch. I won't miss it. You can check out Trading Nut YouTube channel. I don't know who that is. What do you think about gold now? I'm still long NTP 1850. 2050 to 21 is clock option. IMC price action. It's blocked by higher power. First of all, investor, I think you have to kind of type a bit more better English instead, because I understand what you say, but I don't think any other else will understand you. So if you can rephrase that thing, that would be greater. As to what are you talking about, as to what do you mean, and what is just a different kind of English that would be better for me. So there and there on Euro USD. Looking into gold, as the gold has been requested for, gold is currently going higher. Currently, gold has breached the target for buyers, and we are thinking, is it now going to go to 1850? Is it going to 1850? What is our expectation? So NFP, maybe I should Google that first. NFP expectations. Is there anyone has expectations today? And that'd be fun. Nope. So nobody has put in their expectations so far, and then in the last week, maybe someone. Okay, nothing. I didn't find anything. So, what do you currently have? You currently have an uptrend. I do agree. That's a good place to be looking for buys. And then you are looking at where did you bought, Jasmine? Can't remember where you said you bought. You said your target 1850, I guess. That's a pretty good That's a pretty good target to have 1850. I really like that. And if you bought somewhere above 1800, I think you are way too late. So FX Street might have one, okay. So we can follow them as well, I guess. Cool. They have some. They are at least talking a bit. Some. I think that's okay. 1793. Yeah, okay. Very late. Okay, very late. That's very late, madam. I would love you to be on here if you're buying. And you should have bought here, taken profit here, then you can have regained here and then higher. The reason why I say that's late is because that is at resistance, okay? If this held, which is done once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, why wouldn't it do it the 6th time? So, okay. But you are there now. Okay, we are in already. You're already in it. You're great. You're already there. Are you then vulnerable for price to come back down to that price again and then kick off? Yes, you are. So, I'm not going to say what you should do, but I can tell you what I would do, because I'm not going to give you any financial advice whatsoever. I can tell you that I would be break even, hope for the best. But yeah. So stop loss at 1740. Yeah, I would also have it. I could have it as high as 1771. It should be 1740 though. Oh, I forgot to take off my phone. Great. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Just got a link from Journey people. Cool. Then we're good to go. Boom. We have 3 minutes left. Which one do you want me to follow? I think I will put up a 5 minutes chart on the gold. And I will put up a 5 minutes chart on the euro, I think it is. Those two would be great, and then we shall take it from there. Just preparing right now. Mentally, I gave you the prices earlier, and then see what happens. Was it the other one? Where did my drawings go? Didn't have drawings? I had drawings earlier. There you are. Okay, they're a bit higher. Okay, cool. Then we are cool. 2 minutes left until NFP. 2 minutes left until NFP is coming out. I just need to prepare myself very fast. So if you are, and then maybe a third one with DXY. Can I do that? I'm not allowed to do that. Oh, I can't do that. You need a pro plan. Oh, okay. Oh, well. Then it is what it is. And then we go need to here. Then we go into here. So current price is 1880. You are hoping that it doesn't go down here. You're also hoping that it will hold 1830. And it should go higher. But I do expect a dollar bullishness. I'm sorry. I do expect dollar bullishness. So, cool. Apart from that, that is where we are. Chief, there has been past days where NFP doesn't move the market, even by an inch. Well, I do believe we're at least going to have a move of 20 pips minimally. So, in whatever that direction is going to be, we have 1 minute left. Let's set up our... It's a lot of screens now, I guess. But let's see if we can update this one. 2 minutes to go there. We are here, and then I can put this one here, and I will put off my music. And here we are. Cool. Nope. Okay. Here we go. Here we go. What is it? 978,000 is expected. If you want to join my mentorship course, it's linked in the top corner as well. If you want to join the Discord for free, it's also in the top of the chat. There you go. We now have... There you go. Now the time is coming. We have dollar bearishness straight out of the books. We are rising. What is the number? Number is... What? 266? What on earth? Dollar is falling. Oh my... That's terrible. That's way off. Gold is going higher. Euro dollar is going higher. But, oh gosh. Wow. We're coming up to sell zone that I said earlier, but I think we're going to crush that one. Oh, we're crushing it. Oh, lordy. Wow, look at Jasmine made tons there. Wow. Please be break even in this market. Oh, we are flying. Oh, lordy. Oh, gosh. It chills down my spine right now. Look at that. 266K. No, wait, what is it? It's 978 minus 266. 700k difference. 700k difference. That is a major bummer. The expectation was way off. This was not priced in, and that's why you see a price move of 50 pips straight up on Euro USD. Oh my. Oh my. Oh my. That is absolutely dollar lower. That is absolutely dollar lower. And then we have to look at the other ones as well. What was the other ones? We had the average hourly earnings is up 0.3%. The expectation was -4, but 4, that's a great number. Even though, but we have average hourly earnings go higher. It can also be because people with lower income loses out there in their jobs. So that's not necessarily another great thing. We have the Canadian have an employment rate at 8.1%. I think that is going to turn the Canadian dollar around because they were expected to rate hike next year or whatever it was coming sooner. And that one is not what the Canadian dollar, the Canadian would expect, but I believe it's falling as it would. Yes, sir, it is falling because of dollar weakness. I'd also believe that USD yen now is absolutely crushing it. Look at that move. This was way more than I expected to be. 64 pips really going on here. Here we have coming into gold for poor Jasmine. Are you currently going higher? Yes, Jasmine, you are currently. Wow. Jasmine is really doing well today. So she is up. Well, we're just at 1832 so far. We haven't gone up to, well, both of them are gold at the moment. We haven't gone up to 1850, up to target, but still, happy applause for Jasmine for making that call. She was in it way earlier. That is what I want to point out right now. She had a later entry, great, but trade at break even, that's okay as well. But also, what's also okay and as well, you don't close out your profits even though you're scared for NFP. Okay, great. It went in your direction. Great, fantastic. But also, that's another reward. But I think that trade management there is how you are supposed to do it. We are up at 21.22 right now on euro dollar. Absolutely going opposite of what I expected. I have absolutely no remorse for that because I didn't lose money on this one. And yeah, I think this is all great. Stop losses are getting hit on my side, but I'm all great. I'm all in good favor. I'm long gold at 1787. 1787, that's a great entry, by the way. A bit lower than that. Lots of short accounts on gold are wiped out now. I don't understand who is shorting gold. But yeah, that was my direction. But this is bullish, so you need to really do your technical analysis. You cannot short gold in a bullish momentum. And now we're absolutely crushing it right now, even before NFP. So there was some degree there. I have 100 pips up on GU. Nice NFP, haha. Really great. So if we're going to pound, I told my traders yesterday not to trade pound until we break 140 level. So it's still not tradable in my eyes. It's still a range. So I haven't really emphasized on pound dollar right in this live because it is not trending, but gold is. So that would be a much better trade to take than any of those we have just mentioned. Go girl, go girl, go girl. I am so happy for you. I'm so happy for you. March NFP revised substantially lower from 77k to 916. We also have to look into that one. Have they actually revised down what happened last month? So we are not as great as we actually thought we were. So if we look at this NFP right now, the 770 was not what we got last time. Last time it was 900. No, that was 916. They revised it down 200,000 jobs. That is, I would say, a big move on the NFP. Not what I expected. So previous releases down from 916, 200,000. 150,000 jobs less. We are deviating from consensus from 700,000 jobs. Pretty much a very eventful day today. GP will move on Monday with election results from Scotland, so that's another thing we have to look out for. Is the Scotland election that could also move the pound, so that is also added risk for you guys. If you guys like this, live, please give it a like. Please give it a sub if you're here from the first time. I know we have 43 people here. I know that is more than 1 people, and of course, congratulations to Harold to once again joining the E-team, the team of winners. Well, it just cost you $5 a month. So yeah, if you want to support the channel. If you don't want to, you're all here for free. But I'm here to help you becoming a better trader almost every single day. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, 5 days a week. And if you're wondering what I do, I work 7 days a week for you guys. So please be appreciative of all the work I do for you. Thank you, X-Rain. Okay, that was just an internal comment. If you look at the yen as well, the yen is actually falling. Is that the yen strength? We're going from yen to dollar. Is that what you're seeing? Probably not there. And yen here, we are seeing yen strength and weakness in dollar. That means that we're going away from dollar and into the yen, sending USD yen probably is one of the best performers today at massively 71 pips on the day. Absolutely amazing. We have euro dollar here. How is euro dollar doing today? And just taking away those 62 pips here. We have the gold move up 100. I don't know what the points is, and 198 points maybe. I'm not sure. So from $17, 1817 to give or take 1837, that's around $20 up on the day. Is Euro USD a sell? No, it's not at all a sell right now, because currently Euro USD is currently having momentum higher. It's currently a higher high, and has bottomed out. So if I was to sell it right now, it needs to start reversing down again, and it hasn't done that. So Euro USD right now is definitely not a good sell. Definitely not a good sell. Is it a good time to sell USD CAD? Well, I have to break it to you, bro. It is absolutely too late to start selling now. The move has already happened, but if you really want to get in at the target for the week, you are very much welcome to sell at the target. But as you just hear myself saying that, it is at the target. It is at a risk. It can fall further, but I do not expect that to I don't expect that to be the bottom. I actually think we're going to go up before falling. But if you want to sell now, I cannot stop you. It's totally up to you. We are now at 21.30 on euro dollar. We are still rising. So what else? I've actually no clue, bro. What you're talking about, Harold. Je vois un prix miserable. That is my French. La French. La wa. Oui, oui. Je m'appelle. Oui, oui. All right. We're coming into 14:40. I have 5 minutes left on you guys. So I just want to say to you, is there anything else for request as I turn this one lower? Oh, we almost have our lower low on the DXY. Absolutely crushing what I expected to be. I'm sorry for everyone who has incurred loss on that one. We have to have a strategy. We have to have a plan before it happens. And I also said, I do remember saying it minimally twice, maybe 3 times, maybe 4 times. I don't know. I'm expecting dollar bullishness from May, and if it doesn't, I am going to sell it if it just goes higher, or if it turns against me. Okay, I'm not going to be stubborn to say it's going to go higher. Well, now it's broken. I was wrong. First month in 2020, second month in 2020. I don't know. Maybe this is about 10% that I'm wrong on the dollar. I do apologize for that. But Other than that, we are good to go. I gave out a buy price on Aussie dollar at 16.7764. Yeah, that was a good buy price. That was a good buy price. That was a good buy price. That is 48 pips on Australian dollar there. I gave it in the private chat to a guy, and he was asking, "Is there any trades?" Yes, there was one, and now it went. Très bien. Could pound can reverse this month? Jelly asks, well, could it? It all depends on two variables, pound and Canadian dollar. So Harold, what do you think of my merch in the background? Does that look great? Is that très bien, or is that au revoir, or what do you think about it? I was supposed to say, I wasn't supposed to mention it, but of course it is. You know, I think that was quite cool. Let me just check that you guys are actually hearing me as well as we're coming into the music. Poundcat. Weird requests always, I assume. And no, it is not trending at the moment. Not trending whatsoever. Formidable! Fantastic. So we have one job in around 17 minutes from now. I will be joining Trader Nick's session over at his channel. Trader Nick, it is the one guy that with 217,000, I guess it is right now, subscribers. So let's see if I can, for the first time in my life, being on someone else's live stream, let's see how I do there. I don't know. Hopefully, I will do well so I can make you guys proud. I want to make you guys proud that we are a community of love, fundamentals, technicals, and prosperity to hold trades for a long time, as we did, or as at least I did, on EURUSD back in here to here, and then that is now the continuation move higher. Is it a sell? No, it's not a sell. It has to wait for it to turn lower before it does. I don't know if it will, because the euro said, well, some said that, I can't remember, was it somebody? Somebody said that euro is maybe looking into tapering in June meeting. That is very bullish for euro. Dollar is currently now falling because of the opposite number, 200,000. Do you know what that means? That means that we might need more stimulus. We might need more help to the economy. It was absolutely crushed this week. This month, sorry. What do you expect dollar after NFP is released? I was expecting dollar bullishness because I was expecting a very good number. We got a very bad number. Dollar went down. Well, that is what it is all about. I do apologize for that. Dollar fell down. Some of those you made money, some of you didn't. We have Jasmine going absolutely crazy on the gold target of 1850. Great, fantastic. I applaud that target. Other than that, I think that we might look for some bullish momentum on euro, Aussie, pound, maybe not pound, New Zealand, Aussie, euro on Monday. USD CAD went up because they did not have a very good reading whatsoever on their economic. They had a very bad unemployment rate. They expected was 7.8. Previous one was 7.5. And it came all the way up to 8.1. So that is a reversal, by the way, of the strength in pound, I think. No, CAD. Canada will now become weak again. So whatever you had of profits in the Canadian dollar strength, I think those ones are now diminishing every single time. I mean, I've seen people shorting gold with 22 lots on 1780. I do very feel that they need education. That's what they need. They need education, Jasmine. And they were still holding low. This rise was fueled by them to counter this trade. You cannot under my watch, sell 1780. Okay, maybe you can. No, you cannot. The reason why you cannot sell 1780 is because it is not a lower low. You can expect it to be a lower low, but you have to have somewhere in this area, 1760, 1750. After that, then you could start selling. Sad, I got to leave. I'm mad, I also have to leave as well. But happy for you all. Thanks, Evan. Thank you very much, every single one of you. Thank you guys for joining. Okay, I can't do a type right now. So yeah, thank you guys for joining, and Jasmine is the winner.